There has been a fresh revelation in the Pune Porsche case. The investigation has revealed that the mother of the 17-year-old minor accused in the accident had in fact handed over her blood sample to be replaced with her son. The FSL report has revealed that the blood sample was replaced with a female's sample while CCTV footage is being investigated, and it showed that the mother handed over the sample. Now, both the father and the mother of the accused have been arrested for evidence tampering. One staffer has also been accused in this particular case. The investigation has revealed a financial transaction was also involved in the cover-up.
Right, in this entire matter, the blood sample swap case, in that the 5 people have been arrested till now by the Pune Crime Branch. The 3 of the people who has arrested in this entire case, 2 is the forensic doctors from Sasun Hospital and 1 was the staffer. Now Pune police yesterday arrested the mother of 17-year-old accused in this matter and the father. The father has already 2 cases in his name, where first was the negligence, second was the destruction of evidence, and third is this swap of the blood sample which was given for the blood test of the 17-year accused. But the mother of this accused went there and swapped his blood sample with accused blood sample to avoid the alcohol consumption which come under this type of blood test. So there are many situations which has occurred in past few days in this entire matter. The father and the mother of 17-year-old was produced in court, and there were major argument done by the IO of this case. The IO told the respected court that till now we have arrested 3 people in this case, 2 doctor, 1 staffer. Yesterday they had arrested Vishal and Shivani, the mother and father of 17-year accused, under the charges of 120B criminal conspiracy under section 201 destruction of evidence. Over investigation revealed that the blood sample of the minor was replaced by his mother. In the second argument, IO of this case said that we need to investigate who other were involved in the case. 3 lakhs were recovered from Dr. Srihari and the other staffer of Sasun Hospital. CCTV analysis need to be done, and where is the original blood sample. So IO and the public prosecutor were arguing that they need some more time to investigate in the entire matter, and it will be very important for the entire case because we have seen many things getting out in this entire matter. So we are getting a very major update. The custody, Vishal and Shivani, the father and mother custody, has been given to Pune Crime Branch till 5 June. This is a very major update, and now till 5 June they will remain under Pune Crime Branch, and Pune Crime Branch will investigate much more about this entire case because it is very important. There were several lapses when this entire case started. There are many officers who has been suspended in this entire matter. The doctors are also suspended. They are in police custody now. The Pune police is investigating into this entire matter, and the major update which has came right now is that the father and the mother of 17-year-old accused, they had been sent to police custody for 5 days.